Kyle Mohan Racing. We're in the shop. We've got a little bit of time to fix the car before we head up to Seattle. What do we got right here? Exedy. Oh, look at that. Triple disc, Hyper Series. Pretty much exactly what we've got in the car right now. Off the shelf from Exedy, but we run a custom spline. Yeah, where's that spline? There it is. To go into our HGT. Thank you, Exedy. When you get down to it, the HGT gearbox and mounting is really simple. You can see up here is our reverse cable attachment, and then this would be our shift linkage that's up through the floor to the remote mount shifter. And I really like the fact that this particular billet casing, which is really strong, is also traditionally shaped as far as gearboxes go. Bad, so hey, that's my mask. Hey, I lost the mask in one of the rounds earlier. It was right there. That's kind of funny. I got my mask back. Just it's a dust blanket. Yeah. Okay, so we got the HGT out. It's really not that bad. 2-person job. The bell housing is probably the heaviest part. And there's their nice HGT throw bearing. Man, that thing still feels beautiful. So while we're doing this, things I really like about the Exedy clutch, Exedy components, aside from the fact that they are an OE manufacturer supplier, so your factory vehicle may already have an Exedy or Daikin clutch in there, I've found them to be extremely reliable. In my whole Formula Drift career, which is I think going on 16 years now, I've never had a competition issue because of the clutch, and I think that's pretty amazing. In a rotary car, it's pretty well known. We run the clutches pretty hard. I do slip the clutches, and you know, there's definitely manufacturers out there that don't have as good of a reputation in the drift field. It's triple plate metallic. Everything's marked. They come pre-balanced from the factory, so always be aware of that. And you never want to touch any of your running surfaces or the actual metallic plate surface with your fingers. So pulling the flywheel down, already got the clutch out. Actually, it looks pretty darn good. So we just pulled the Exedy triple disc out of our Formula Drift RX8. It's got multiple rounds, 1,000 horsepower, dyno time, and it actually looks fantastic. Gearbox is in, Exedy clutch is in, and like the video I kind of showed, we've got a dry brake for the clutch pedal, so hopefully when I get myself back in here right now, oh yeah, right back where it's supposed to be. So cool, clutch feels good, we just got to throw some fluid in it. Steps, we're gonna box up our old clutch It'll make a good spare. And obviously, you should know it, we're gonna put in some renewable Biosyn Extra gear lube. I run 85-140 because we have some serious abuse being delivered in our Formula drift cars.